We're Group 8, Finding Medieval Irish People Using Drones. I'm Evan, here with Shufan, and unfortunately Luca couldn't make it to this video meeting today. Our project goal is to detect archaeological features of medieval Irish settlements using aerial imagery within the modern Irish landscape. Using aerial imagery via drones is cost-effective, preserves land, and is easily scalable compared to traditional fieldwork, making this project useful in the field of archaeology. We used images of locations across Ireland, reconstructed as terrain models, and attempted to visualize them in order to locate low-lying features in the landscape, such as burgage plots and ridge and furrows. During this process, we wrote Python scripts, conducted research into visualization and modeling techniques, and implemented a complete data pipeline. Our work over the past 10 weeks can be divided into two main phases: visualization to enhance present features, and developing a method for automatic feature detection. The significance of our project includes our use of Python and ArcGIS software to automate multiple terrain model visualizations, which can help other archaeologists make visualizations of their own in the future.
Automatic feature detection is relatively new in the domain of archaeology, and most of the existing works focused on circular features. Our study looked at linear features instead. We implemented a workflow of machine learning feature detection from scratch, from labeling to processing, training, and validating our model. We used a UNet image segmentation model to pick out features from the background and achieved moderate success. However, there were many areas of improvement, and more experimentation must be done with modeling. Our work is important in terms of assessing the capacity of machine learning in facilitating feature detection for archaeologists, especially given a small set of data. We believe the workflow and the methods we used in our project can be applied to similar archaeology research in the future. Moreover, we highlight several challenges in labeling, training model, and evaluating performance, specifically for archaeological applications. This can lead into many exciting research directions in the future. Thanks to the Data Plus program coordinators and our project mentor, Vicky, Jenny, and Harshit, we're really grateful for all the work we were able to complete in the past 10 weeks, and we're looking forward to continuing our project in the future.